What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Von. It's your boy Von Vlogs. Back again. We had again another video. Camera a little smudgy though. It's the phone cam. Forgot my camera at home yesterday. Hair. Gotta do something about that. I gotta throw the hat back on. But yeah, y'all. Y'all know what it is, but as you see by the title of this video is about how YouTube changed my life. Yeah, I know y'all say, yeah, you ain't got a lot of subscribers, but it's way more than that. Because to be honest, I never ever imagined myself being on YouTube, like just on here talking or anything. Usually, me personally, I like being behind the camera, recording for somebody, or giving other people ideas and stuff. But I was like, you know what? Might as well, what the heck, man. And I got a lot of stage fright, especially back in school, man. All the kids used to laugh at me because when we used to go up for like projects and stuff, and I had to go in front of the class, I used to be shaking and stuff. Because I hate being in front of cameras or being like the center of attention or all eyes on me. I hate that junk. But to be honest, YouTube really helped me out with that. As you can see, over all the real Bond gang that's been sticking with me since my first video, you can tell the growth and the difference between me just hopping on the camera and how it was so natural instead of me being all nervous and shaking and stuff, even on the camera, or just being jittery and stuff on the camera. You can tell it's pure and organic now. And also, I like it, or I wouldn't say it changed my life in this aspect or anything. It's just I like doing YouTube because all my friends, I talk to them about cars and they get tired of it. I know y'all do. But I actually have an audience that talks to cars now who also have the passion for it and who actually want to talk about it. And we can just chit chat on here. And you can hit me up on my Instagram. Don't be afraid to hit me up on my Instagram. You can DM me or whatever. Comment below on my pictures. We can chit chat. We can get cool. Don't be no weirdo, man. It's already one of y'all. I ain't even about to say who it is or anything. You know who you are. Yeah, man, I like doing YouTube because I can hop on here and talk to people that got the same mindset of what they want to do and what cars they like. We can have the same interest in cars, and it won't always get annoying to some people. Because if you watch my vlogs and stuff, you click on certain videos because of certain reasons. Either you want to see it, or you're just interested in the topic at hand, or you just want to hop on the vlog to watch me because you like the message I be putting into these videos. And I respect all y'all for rocking with me and support me, liking and commenting and subscribing on these videos on the channel. It really does not go unnoticed. Trust me, it's going to a good place. And I really want to keep doing this YouTube stuff. I really want to keep grinding until we make it. I don't even want to make it for me personally. I'd rather do it to, only reason why I want to make it, not even make it in YouTube, just have a lot of subscribers to where I can build more of a following and more of a bigger Vaughn gang. That way we can have meetups and stuff. Because right now, if I were to throw a meetup, it'd be only like the people I know, the only people that in my area. But when we get bigger, I can actually meet the people that I be talking to and match the names with the faces, which would be pretty dope. That's why I really want to do it. And plus, some of y'all, they want to ask me and stuff, but afraid. And at the meetups, you can hit me up because I'm going to be right there. And we can chit chat, hash it out. I can give you some motivational stuff on how I did it and what kept me going. But like I was saying, man, it ain't all about the money, all this YouTube stuff. I just want to make it so I can meet y'all and motivate y'all to see, especially everybody that's been following me since now. And then when we make it, because I'm speaking into existence, because I know God can do exceedingly and above all things that we ask him to do. And this is something minor to him, to be completely honest. All we gotta do is put our best feet forward and just stick at it, just keep at it. And that's what we gonna do. So stick with Von Gang right now. Stop this video right now. Pause this video, or not even pause the video. Subscribe to the video, because we just gonna keep going. No matter what negative comments we get on any video, we just gonna keep grinding. No matter what anybody got to say, we just gonna keep grinding, and keep at it. I'm doing this for everybody that's in the same situation I'm in, or got the same admiration as I do, and want to see what it took and how did you stay motivated, like I said previously in the video, or what it took to get big or get a lot of subscribers. And also, you guys, if I don't do nothing in all my videos, if I don't even make it past 500 subscribers, I know I'm doing this for a reason. God wouldn't have let me go this far in something that I would have never ever thought I would do ever, and get pretty decent at it, if you ask me. I know I'm gonna touch somebody out there. Even if I don't become the next millionaire, billionaire, I know I'm gonna touch the next one. But somebody and that's watching these videos, I'm speaking to one of y'all. Like, I'm hitting every nail on the nose. Everything y'all want to do, everything y'all been going through, I know I'm hitting every point that y'all been going through. If I'm hitting anything that you going through and you need help going through it, or you've been hearing my stories and stuff, hit me up, because I've been through it, went through it, so maybe I can help you out. Maybe we can ping ideas off each other, and you never know. So all my social media is in the description below, so don't be afraid to hit me up or drop a comment below, and we can just chit chat and get over this stuff, man. I don't even do this for the subscribers or to get big or anything. I just want to help the world out, man, for real. The world is in a crazy place right now, and if I can touch somebody each day, making the world a better place, and also just helping my generation be better. That's what I'm trying to do. So if I can touch anybody, I'm achieving what I set out to do. That's all I set out to do this YouTube for. Because I done went through some tough patches in my life, and I ain't gonna really discuss it on here, but y'all can tell some of this stuff. But iron sharpen irons. So if y'all been through the same thing I've been through the same thing, y'all can just relate to all my vlogs and stuff, because that's what really makes me subscribe to certain YouTubers. If I can relate to them, and if their ambition drives me to be better, that's what makes me subscribe to YouTube. And I don't really subscribe to a lot of YouTubers. I think I only subscribe to about 3 or 4, I believe. Hopefully one day I can meet them. Not even to just do or get bigger on anything. I just like their drive and how they got to where they are. But I'm not gonna lie, some of them, I ain't gonna say no names, but some of them really got big-headed over the years. Not even gonna lie. Like, they just get the money and get to certain subscribers and a following, and just lose everything, or just become a completely different person, or who they was originally. But that's just a little or a brief little description of how YouTube changed my life and how it made me a better person in general. And there's more reasons that I'll cover over the vast vlogs that I do. I just don't just want to be on here just talking, just saying stuff. Be on here for like a 20-30 minutes just on me and her talking. I know that's boring, so I know I wouldn't watch it personally, so I ain't about to do that to y'all. But if y'all stayed this far in the video, I'm gonna show y'all what's the next mod that's been sponsored to me. I know I covered it in the last video. I didn't cover the last video. I said shout out to the sponsor. But now it has arrived, and I'm about to show you what it is. Alright, y'all, the next mod up on the channel, since y'all stay tuned this far to this guy. We're about to go ahead and go with this guy. Y'all already know what that is. Chris Herberto Muno, whatever y'all want to call her. Herberto Mira Muno. But anyway, y'all, I'm going to show y'all the mod. And 3, 2, 1. Yeah, y'all, this is the replacement steering wheel for the 2015 through 17 models. Got the flat bottom on it, all gloss carbon fiber. So they already show y'all what the rest of the interior gonna be. But I'm gonna put all the link in the description below to where to get this, where to buy this. They make it for all makes and models also. They don't make it just for the Mustang. Look at that detail. Sheesh. Coming soon. Stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned for the next vlog, because this is gonna be on the whip. Just wait on it. Alright, y'all. Vine Vlogs TV out. Stay tuned for the next vlog. You get it, you seen it. Bang, bang, shaboom, shabow, shabang. Peace. Oh yeah, remember, trust God, never lose faith, because you never lose faith in you. Peace. Also, I am working on my merch, and it's not gonna be Vine Vlogs material, whatever. It ain't gonna be Vine Vlogs. I'm making up a whole nother name, so it's gonna be completely separate, but it's gonna be fire. It's gonna be fire. So stay tuned for the merch and support your boy. Drop a comment below, smash that like button, because we going crazy all 2020 2021 through all the madness. We just gonna continue to grind, continue to strive for greatness. But all right, y'all, peace.